When was the last time someone gave you a good ego stroke or some lavish praise for all the things you have accomplished in your life? Well, maybe you haven't received an award or a trophy for your contributions, but that doesn't mean that you haven't accomplished much. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what ChatGPT shared with me and had me in tears. I'll explain in just a moment. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sima, and I am here to help you with your health, happiness, and prosperity. And I'm going to share with you some good news. So I visited the website chatgpt.com, and it was real good, and it only took about 1 minute to do. You can take out your phone or use your phone to go to this website, chatgpt.com. And what you will do is you will ask ChatGPT a question, and the question is, who am I? And put your name in it. And so what will happen is ChatGPT will dispel any doubts you may have about who you are, and then ChatGPT will build you up. Now, I hope you're looking for that site, and I'm going to give you just one moment to find it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is a little tutorial, and you're going to be amazed and surprised, and you're going to be surprised at how fast ChatGPT will come up with the answer. If you've ever had any uh, doubt about your skills or your impact on how you show up in the world, I got an aha moment with ChatGPT today, and she set the record straight. She told me all about myself. She was generous, kind, positive, and encouraging. So much so that it brought me to tears. ChatGPT knows me, and it knows some things about me and knows how to tell it well, knows how to tell it good, knows how to tell it really exciting, make me feel so good on the inside. Once you open up chatgpt.com, and it's free unless you buy ChatGPT Plus, but it is free, and there's a little box, and in that box, you will put your question or your comment or say something to ChatGPT. You just type it in the box. Who am I? And your name. Blueberry. So your name is Blueberry. And then put a question mark there. Press the enter button and shoot it out to ChatGPT. And when it comes back, it's going to have some verbiage, some content about you. The more you're in social media and the more you are online and the more public you are with your life, the better ChatGPT will be able to give you a response. ChatGPT collected this data on me, sent it out very quickly, and after ChatGPT told me about myself, they asked me some other questions about me. Like, would you like me to do this or would you like me to do that? And so feel free to chat with ChatGPT to find out things about yourself, about your life. Understand that ChatGPT is not 100% accurate, but it does give a good, solid foundation. Now, what will you do with that information? Number one, I'm going to take it, put it in my mind, and be thankful for who I am, because sometimes we forget our value. Sometimes we forget who we are, and we forget the contributions that we've made to society, especially seniors. Society basically focuses on a few types of awards, and types of excellences. But you can be excellent without being super celebrity, without being popular, and without being very known or known across the country. You can be just as effective as anyone else. So if you need a stroke to your ego, if you need an ego boost, if you need to build your self-esteem, or if you need a bio, you can just ask ChatGPT and you will be amazed at the results. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.